And so gold is seen as a hedge against inflation because unlike dollars and currencies, you can't just print more gold.
Yeah, so gold and silver keep breaking record highs, like all-time highs. Why is that? Like, why now?
Well, there are a lot of factors at play that have kind of created the perfect storm. So there's economic uncertainty and recession fears. In fact, I read this morning that Jamie Dimon, the head of JP Morgan, the biggest bank in the world, says that he expects a significant downturn in the stock market in the near term. Central banks, so the banks of countries all over the world, are buying gold at historic rates to get out of dollars. So when they start doing that, then institutional and retail investors start doing the same thing. They are building up their gold reserves for the very same reasons. Step back from that, our geopolitics across the globe are a bit of a mess right now. We got war in Russia and Ukraine, conflict in the Middle East. We've got trade disputes over tariffs. The United States and China aren't on the best of terms. And so all this is leading to inflation. And so gold is seen as a hedge against inflation because unlike dollars and currencies, you can't just print more gold. And since the United States is not on the gold standard anymore, like it used to be, then the government, the Federal Reserve, is free to print as many dollars as they want without having any gold to back it up. So because of this, every dollar created makes the dollars that you and I have worth a little bit less. And so these inflationary effects and these situations around the globe are really driving people into gold and silver at rates that we haven't seen before.
So is inflation the biggest concern that buyers have when it comes to gold and precious metals?
Oh, sure. Yeah, I think most of our clients are concerned about that. But our clients have a more nuanced view of inflation than the average person. So the average person thinks that inflation just means that things cost more. But a gold investor might think of as inflation as meaning that the dollar is worth less. You've said it doesn't buy what it used to, right? The high price of gold measured in dollars is really a reflection of how weak the dollar is. Gold remains unchanged. So when you consider what that really means, it means that the dollar is failing. And I'm not an alarmist and I don't use fear to sell. But the fact is that our country has made some really bad financial decisions for a long time. We've spent money that we don't have. And so we borrowed more at interest to pay for that. And there's no chance, in my opinion, of that changing anytime soon.